Hi guys, it's Andy from NismoTechUK. Today we're going to be taking a look at a fan from the guys over at IDCooling. The one that they've sent through to us is part of their No series or NO series, and it's the 12025. The colour that we have is actually red, although there's no real indication around the actual box as to what colour it is. But with that in mind, we're going to sort of start with the actual box itself. So we've got big airflow, de-vibration rubber and low noise optimization. Couple of little images down here to show the high air pressure, big airflow and silent operation. Quite a nice sort of branding around the actual box itself. So we're just going to come on to the back and actually have a look at the technical specifications. They're a little bit difficult to actually read to start with, but they are in multiple different languages. Just find your country and then find the actual specification. So it's a 25mm 120mm fan, power input of 0.25 amp with a 3 watt rated current. The fan speed is 1600 plus or minus 10% with a maximum airflow of 60 CFM, coming in at a noise level of 27.5 dBA, and it features a hydraulic bearing. As I've already mentioned, there's no real sort of indication apart from a little bit of writing down here to tell me that I've actually got the red version. So let's take a look and have a look at the actual fan and see what you actually get on the inside, because I actually quite like the look and overall design of this particular fan. I think it actually looks quite nice. So we'll just pop that down over there. So on the inside you have got a 4-pin pass-through to Molex and also 4 black case screws as well. But this is the actual fan itself. I think, like I said, it looks really quite cool. You've actually got this white accent rubber around the actual outside of the actual framework. That's for anti-vibration. As you can see, it goes all the way through, so no matter what way you actually mount the actual fan, you've obviously got anti-vibration around the outside. I actually quite like the look of that, the fact that it's a two-tone colour option. They do it in a plain, simple, non-LED version where these white strips here are actually red. Talking about LEDs, as I've already mentioned, we have got the red version. It is available in white, blue and green as well. White, blue, green, as well as a PWM version, which is a non-LED version. They also do it 15mm thick, again non-LED, 140mm in size, again obviously without the actual LEDs. Now looking at the actual fan blades themselves, so we've actually got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fan blades on this particular model, and we've actually got a bit of a cutout up at the top here, which obviously is going to help with the actual airflow. Quite unusual in the fact that obviously looking at the back here, looking around on the inside in the actual framework, you can't actually see any form of LEDs, which is quite unusual because you've normally got them in 4 corners glowing through, but as you'll see in a moment, the actual LEDs glow from the actual motor area. So let's now get it powered up and have a look at the actual fan. Okay, so as you can see, we've now got the fan powered on itself, and hopefully, as you can see, I'll turn the lights down in a moment, you can see the actual 4 LEDs around the inside of the actual motor, just on the inside there, as you can actually see. So it's quite nice. It's also got quite a clear effect on the actual fan blades themselves. And obviously, like I've mentioned, it's running at 1600 RPM, and I believe it kicks out 60 CFM. And there's quite a lot of airflow coming from the back of that. Noise level wise, it's pretty damn silent as well. Can't hear that too much at all. And obviously with the anti-vibration stamps that are actually on here as well, it's not going to actually vibrate at all, which is really, really cool. So what we're going to do is just going to turn the lights down so we can actually have a bit of a better look. Okay, so there, as you can see, that's what it actually looks like. It kind of gives a bit of a red ring around the outside, which I think looks absolutely fantastic. It's definitely something different. It looks so much better than the conventional with the sort of 4 LEDs that come out from the corners. I actually think that looks a hell of a lot better than the standard LED fan. So big thumbs up to the guys over at IDCooling for the actual overall design of this. Looks really good, seems to perform very well with regards to the airflow. As I already mentioned, there's a lot of airflow coming from the actual fan. Construction wise and build quality is fantastic, really good, no problems with that at all. So very, very interesting fan in the way that the LEDs are actually set up. and they actually look, as I've already mentioned, pretty damn cool. So there we go, guys. That's going to conclude the unboxing and overview for the IDCooling NO12025 fan. Let me know down below, and also on the website, what you actually think about the actual LEDs on this particular fan. Do you like the fact that it does seem to create that outer coloured ring to the actual fan itself? Please leave a comment down below, and we'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. We hoped you liked our video review. If you did, then please leave a like, as well as any comments or questions you may have down below. Full details and specifications on this item can be found at our website, NismoTech.com, along with all the links for purchasing if you wish. Also on our site you'll find our latest reviews and current giveaways, plus a lot more. We look forward to seeing you in our next review.